This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. One of the things is there's some new alternative products out there now. Can you talk a little bit about that? About some of them are a little easier to qualify for now.
No, absolutely. They're not in the your traditional conventional FHA VA product, but there's people that can qualify using bank statements. So just based off of their deposits that they're depositing over a 12 to 24 month period.
Okay.
So there's that option. There are some options too, as far as eliminating the mortgage insurance, which lowers the payment a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So
nobody likes paying mortgage insurance. A necessary evil, but
it also can get in the way of qualifying sometimes.
Right.
With the rates kind of ticking up just a little bit.
Sure.
So we have some options where we can do a lender paid mortgage insurance. So you don't have that mortgage insurance. It lowers the payment and puts you back in the qualifying seat.
The other thing that's coming back to be more popular these days now is HELOCs. Remember, that's the home equity line of credit, which is a dirty word for a lot of people because when the HELOCs were in their heyday back in the mid-2000s, they were part of the damage that was done. People were borrowing money out of their house to go on vacation and stuff, which is, it's nice, but wasn't really the smartest thing necessarily to do. But you're seeing a lot more HELOCs come out now, but they're using them for more credible things, I think.
Absolutely. They're using them more for, we're seeing some debt consolidation, so which is good.
Yep.
So people that are saving, even up into the thousands of dollars that they're saving
right
by doing the HELOC, but also home improvement loans, improving their home.
Okay.
You can't really go wrong with that.
Right, as long as you're putting money back into the house.
Absolutely.
As your realtor, I tell you, I love that idea. I mean, I don't love that you're not moving. I mean, certainly you should buy another house instead. But no, if you're making improvements to your home, that's wonderful.
We're seeing a lot of people that are doing the HELOC for a more shorter term loan, fixing the house up and then selling it because they're planning on moving. So
there you go.
They're doing some improvements to get the house dressed up to sell.
There's still a lot of what we call DPAs, which is down payment assistance programs. Here in the state of Nevada, there's a number of things people can do that are still available, right?
That's right. The down payment assistance is still out there, still available, and
home is possible.
Great option. Great option.
And then, like, if you're special categories too, like for teachers, there's still some programs out there for teachers, I believe.
Yes.
And other professionals too. There's other professional groups that have special programs.
Right.
The culinary, you guys are working with the culinary now too, right?
Yes. So the culinary union has their own, so that's available as well.
So many times people come to me and say, "Hey, Harv, how's the rates?" Well, rates. You can't quote rates. Number one, we're not even going to quote them on the air. You're not going to quote them on the air because you don't know. Rates depend on you, not just the lender, but the borrower is
absolutely
what impacts the rates. And so there was an article that you had clipped out of the Washington Post that talks about how important it is to choose the right lender. And I think this is a critical point because so many times these days, the way marketing is, people just, they go to that online portal and start doing the loan, which is great, but it may not be the best loan. And if you don't have somebody qualified on the other end of that phone or the other end of that keyboard walking you through all the options, you might miss something really important.
This has been Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Thanks for listening. And remember to tune in every Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. on 101.5 FM, 720 a.m. KDAWN.